What's up, members? So we made some changes to the YouTube portfolio. I want to break it down for you. Currently, we're over 163,000. We added a few new shares. We are year to date up 23.45%. As you can see, in the beginning of the year, we're at 55,000. S&P 500 plus 15%. We were up 23%. So we're doing well in this long-term holdings. We added a few stocks. I want to break that down for you. Let's go through it. So I want to go through some of the changes here. You will see right here we added Meta Platforms. We have a cost basis of $603.80. We bought the low yesterday. This is another stock that I'm going to continue to dollar cost average. The percentage is still low at 0.63%. I plan to get Meta up to about a 5% allocation. So currently we have 1.6 shares. We were up a nice $29 on this. Basically 2.96%. We'll get into Meta. I'll break down the chart for you in a little bit. I also added some shares of UNH. We have a total cost basis of $10,500 invested. Moved my cost basis up to $295. I couldn't resist at the 315, 317 range. Started adding. They are now 7% of the portfolio, which this will naturally come down once I start adding more to my Meta position and my FSPGX that I buy every single Monday. I made more purchases on FSPGX. So as you can see here, cost basis on FSPGX is about $66,000 to $67,000. These will absorb into the FSPGX margin. It's because the account moves over, and every month these shares will absorb into these 1,857 shares of FSPGX. I also picked up more shares of Microsoft, around 497. So I really want to break down. I bought more Meta, more FSPGX, and more Microsoft. So let's look at the chart and let me show you why. Focusing in on Meta stock, if you've been watching it around $750 on October 29th, it has sold all the way off down to $600 per share. For me, this was a no-brainer. It pulled back 20%, a big cap company where Meta is basically one of the leading big cap Mag 7 stocks. And for me, I was watching this dip that was coming in. If you've been watching my TikTok live streams, you've definitely been aware that Meta is something that I have been watching. It has pulled back to the $600 level, and here we have a nice thin wick candle from 611 down to 601. Started scooping up shares below 604. So I'm very proud of that in the short term, but let's see how it holds up. I was watching this level right here all the way from October 10th. We had multiple resistance points at 600. I was thinking this is a potential time to get a stab in. A big cap company pulling back 20%. To me, this is a no-brainer. Now I can start accumulating shares. As long as it's below $615, I will continue building this position. Looking for that push back up to $750, looking for a 25% return. Overall, it's in the long-term portfolio. So we're going to hold, but as long as we can continue to get purchases on it, we will be happy. Anything near 600 for now. Now, Microsoft stock had this pullback from 555, rejection. Started pulling back. So what did I do? I started buying the dip. I bought the dip below 500, around 498, 497. So far, it is looking pretty promising. We have a nice green bar coming in. We'll have to give this more time to see. But what I'm looking at here is we had a support level here on September 5th, and then also right over here at June 30th. What I'm looking for is Microsoft on the long-term chart. It was way overbought. Looking at here, you trade basically in this consolidation zone since 2023. So yes, I'm buying near the top, but this is really where all-time highs were, around 455, blasted all the way up to 555. We're getting that pullback. Let it confirm it. I'm okay accumulating shares here. If we get further pullbacks where I would be more comfortable adding a much larger position, I want to see pullbacks to this region around $455 because you have right here, there was a pullback support, resistance right here, and then resistance right here. For me, that is a level that I will be watching, but I wanted to start accumulating some shares knowing that I am buying, looking at this chart at the trend lines. You have a trend line here in the middle and on top, rejection points here, pullback, healthy in my opinion, start accumulating a position size. If it pulls back to 450, I am going to go much heavier with this position. When I look at the market and we start to get pullbacks, I'm excited to buy those. A long-term investor, you want to find those dips and buy on the red days. Guys, I just want to take a moment to say thank you. We're almost at 6,000 subscribers. That's a pretty big milestone for my YouTube channel. So if you haven't subscribed, please hit that thumbs up. Consider joining the membership here where you get access to membership videos. I'll just give you a quick little sale here. You can see you can get the break and retest trading strategy, the dip buying strategy, as well as other highlighted content, live streams, etc. posts for you to see all of the YouTube portfolio and all the positions in real time. If you're looking for free material, definitely check out the playlist where we have the ultimate guide to index funds and ETFs. You can master my day trading strategy here, RSI, VWAP, MACD, and I have my day trading P&L 2024 and 2025. Also, check out the links. If you check out the links, you can join the WAP if you want to join the investing community. It's about $10 a month, and you will be able to discuss with over 20 members right there as well. And if you want to support the YouTube channel just to show some love, I appreciate you guys. You can click on there and you can join the lowest tier and get access to pretty much everything. And then you have the free Discord if you want to get action to that. Appreciate you guys watching the video, and I'll see you next time.